Tired of dying in pub because of lag? Let's ditch the frustration and boost your gameplay with these quick fixes. First, let's check your internet connection. Run a speed test ideally. You want a ping under 50 milliseconds and stable download and upload speeds if your Wi-Fi is weak. Switch to a wired connection for a more stable experience. Next, close unnecessary background apps hogging your device's resources. These apps eat up processing power and bandwidth, contributing to lag. Clear them out before launching pub. Now, let's optimize your in-game graphics settings. Lowering the graphics quality from Ultra HD to smooth or balanced can significantly reduce lag, especially on mid-range devices. Also adjust the frame rate to medium or low. Clear the cache regularly. Pub's cache can build up over time, causing performance issues. Go to your phone settings, find pub, and clear its cache. This can free up valuable storage space and improve responsiveness. Overheating can severely impact performance if your device gets hot while playing. Consider using a cooling pad or taking breaks to let it cool down. This prevents thermal throttling, which causes lag. And that's it. By implementing these steps, you should experience a smoother, more enjoyable pub gaming experience. Get out there and dominate the battlefield lag-free.